Hi, this is Kaisen, and let me quickly walk you through a system I built recently. It's called ClearPath, which derives from the capstone project I have done at Duke. So the problem we are looking at is pretty straightforward. So today there is a lot of platforms like Robinhood, and they are great for trading, but decision making is still kind of hard. So people nowadays have access to a lot of financial data, like the news, the chart signals, but they don't really have a systematic way to turn that into investment decisions. And even with AI, most to just give you an answer, not a structured way to help you think, right? So what I built is basically an AI-powered investment decision committee. The idea here is not just helping people trade, but use the multi-agents to maybe the expert and decision making process and improve the investment strategies. So let's start here. This is the portfolio page. It is pretty standard. You can see the positions, the allocation, performance, but more importantly, this acts as a system state, right? So every else connect back to this. So for the trade page, user can execute their trade, right? They can just quickly search the stock they want to buy, and every action will be updated to our system. So next is the research page. A user can use to select their portfolios and use multi-agents tool to generate a report. So as you can see, the report is detailed and provides all aspects of an investment decision. So finally, let me show you the chart system. So instead of asking one single AI like ChatGPT or Gemini, you are basically interacting with a whole financial expert communities. So here we have research, quant risk agent, and they are responding to users' question and break that into details. They are fully integrated with AI tools, so they are powerful enough to give you suggestion, and they don't always agree with each other. They sometimes debate, so this is why it is different. And we even turned our system into a paper and published last month to the AI for Science workshop. So one of the hardest part was making this multi-agent setup actually useful. So it is easy to get one model to answer your question, but much harder to get multiple agents to collaborate in a meaningful way. So we had designed how they interact, what tool they use, and how to avoid shallow or repeat outputs. The second challenge was more on the product side, right? Just because something worked doesn't mean people will trust it. So we know the best way is to do the user research or the user interview. And I have talked about 30-ish people around the Duke and UNC campus. And what I found was people are interested in using AI for investing, but they don't trust it yet. That means our results should be testable. So also on the technical side, right, our system is built on a multi-agent architecture using LangGraph and also testing with LangSmith. And we use IDE like VS Code and Cursor. And the front end is quickly built using Figma with the vibe coding that usually takes about like 1 or 2 days, and you can have a very wonderful one. So overall, this project is less about building an AI tool and more about designing a system that helps people make better decisions.